In March this year, Uganda National Roads Authority announced plans to renovate Katunguru Bridge. Now construction works have commenced and road users asked to cross on ferry. Hundreds of travelers from Kasese and Rubirizi district were stranded at Kazinga Channel as they waited for the ferry. The renovation of Katunguru Bridge has slowed down movement across Katunguru area. That include travelers heading to Rubirizi and Kasese, a bulk of whom are tourists.
Tubadde tusaba government bwe kiba kisoboka nga waliwo ferry endala gye basobola okuleeta n'ereeta nga bakonsideringa abalambuzi okubawa first priority kubanga bo babeera ku biseera.
You know, one ferry seems not to be that efficient, you know. Two would be more efficient, you know what I'm saying? Just to go back and forth.
Bashir Ibrahim, a tour guide at Queen Elizabeth Conservation Area, says the delays are likely to affect the tourism business in the area.
Tubadde tuvokola activity obudde butukutte tubadde tulina okuba ku lodge then olweggulo tufune activity endala gye tukola.
Nonetheless, Solomon Ahimbisiwe says the report on traffic diversion was published earlier.
I think the government, UNRA, has really tried to put an alternative way. We couldn't cross the bridge earlier on. There have been notices before, a month ago, that the bridge would be closed, but what if you have an ambulance, some emergency cases? But I'm very happy that the ferry is running.
Kasese and Rubirizi RDCs have, however, pledged to harmonize the situation to ease inter-district movement.
We want to sit as a team and technically see how best we can handle this, but I strongly believe that these already vehicles which are come across or come to cross here already cleared.
Construction of Katunguru Bridge is expected to take 3 months from now at the cost of $898 million.